Thursday, March the 3rd. Back in the bush. Just finishing up our jog of tea. Just over here where I finished cutting yesterday. Looking at them few nice ones there. See, if we had the snow, we could put a road in around there, looping around, but it's kind of a bit hard going on a bike. Got a little buddy here with me having lunch. I don't know if you can see him. I left some bread for him yesterday. He's right here down there below there, no? But I guess you eat bread. You left the crackers for later on, did you? There's a rabbit track here too, so I know they like the bread. There's the evidence of the squirrel. And a little bit of bread and crackers was over here. And there's his tracks in there. So I'd say we got looked on bread now. Not too bad of a day, not too much wind. Gorgeous this morning, but still cold. On that old quad, boy, I tell you, it takes a while to get the juices flowing, get the blood flowing, get warmed up. There's our trail that we done yesterday. I just cutting a little bit of stuff on the edges. A little bit late getting in there today. Well, not late, but I stopped and picked up. I had 6 big logs in on another place. I just got them in the cart and brought them down to the mill. So we was an hour and a half delay getting in here. So we got one nice load dry, and I got to come back and get that bit. Yeah, that's the wood. See, you can go in around there and make a little notch, but it's not too much snow for the bike. Even in here, it's I got to think about it now. If it comes back in, won't be in tomorrow, I don't think. I might get at the logs, I'm not sure. We've got a little window, good weather now, so I like to have 50 logs anyway. Yeah, there's another little bit of wood there, see? I said I'll come in here and I'll get 1 or 2 loads anyway. Geez, I'm 12 now after this today. That's a nice one there. Anyway, we're going to haul that out now. We just had our little snack. We got to take our gas and net out, because if it goes on another trail tomorrow, we're going to need it. I patched up the old trailer a little bit. Could have done a better job, but it's only just to get the winter. I cut 2 ends. They just slides up now for to put the logs in. 8 footers goes in there perfect. The old Kodiak, I don't know if chain's doing any good or not. New tires, chains has gone right down in the grips. But it seems to be good. That front diff lock is awesome. I had the 21, I guess, Honda Rancher 420. And of course she never had the front diff lock. Well, she's not going to do what that Yamaha does. I'm going to guarantee you that. That is the rig. Knock on wood. Anyway, just a short little video. Keep you posted. We got our 50 loads all together. So maybe we can afford to go do some fishing or do a bit of scouting. 50 loads and 50 logs. That'll be the goal. Bill's Mill. beautiful day. Tomorrow's a special day. It's been my nan's birthday, March the 4th. And I was lucky enough to share a birthday with her, so that was extra special. So we say happy birthday, Nan, tomorrow. God bless. We miss them so much, Nan and Pop. This actually Pop's trailer that he had made. Gentleman down in Canterbury made it. So try not to get too sentimental on the videos. But yeah, we got to share a lot of years together. March the 4th. She baked a cake every year, and there's nothing like Nan's cake. Everybody knows that. Chocolate cake, homemade icing. Anyway, we'll have to get McCain's cake, I suppose. And put, I'm not going to say how many candles. 29. Anyway, I hope everybody's doing good. Clear the virus. And God bless. I know there's tragedy now going on in Ukraine. But hopefully they put enough sanctions on Mr. Putin now for him to hopefully pull out of that. If there's not already too much damage done. Anyway, God bless. Over and out.